What are you doing?
What is bouncing?
Are you bouncing your baby like Daddy or Mommy bounces Sadie?
Why are you bouncing him?
Because he's crying.
He's crying.
You trying to make him not cry?
So you have to burp?
Yeah, yes. But that's 1, 2, 3, 3.
3 what?
This big. This kind of big.
Oh, he's 2?
It's too. Go. He fell down.
Yeah.
Say, it's okay, JJ.
It's a picture. He stopped crying. He burped.
Yay.
I bounced. Oh, I fell down. Wait, Daddy. Wait, Daddy. Cheers. He's not clicking.
He's not clicking.
Why?
I don't know.
TV.